you are new to this channel, do not forget to give this video a like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell. And to my old subscribers, my OGs, I love y'all. Let's get into it. What it do, y'all? Kid Slick here, and I am back with another freaking video. Alright, y'all, so today I'm going to be in Walmart, and I'm going to be sneezing on people. So I'm going to just take this water bottle and just right on people. We just about to see all these reactions. Let's get it. Let's go. Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I was so sorry. I'm sorry.
I don't know what you're doing, but I just know you ain't sneeze on me. Oh my God, you sneezed all over me.
I'm so sorry.
All over my back, honey. Jeez, Louise.
I'm sorry. Here, I'll wipe it off.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
You sure?
Yeah. Let me get
Here, let me just wipe it for you.
I need to get a wipe to do that, okay?
Whoa! Whoa! Oh my God. Did you just sneeze on me, dude?
I'm so sorry.
No, you like did it on purpose or some shit.
I'm sorry.
No.
I'm sorry.
What the fuck? Like, why would you get behind me and like sneeze on me like that? Who fucking does that?
I'm sorry.
The fuck, man?
I can wipe it off. I got like a napkin.
No, don't even come near me, dude.
I have a napkin.
Don't even come near me.
You sure?
And if this is some shit you're doing on TikTok or whatever because you got this smirk on your face.
No, I'm just smirking because
you're smirking because you think it's funny. I don't know what kind of diseases you got right now.
Girl, shut your ass up. You're right. I'm sorry.
There's a fucking pandemic going on. Who goes and sneezes behind somebody's face? What the hell you got behind your hand? What the hell do you have behind your arm? Oh, you thought that shit was funny? You fucking
gotcha, nigga. I got you. Got the best reaction.
You hit me a little too hard, bitch.
Oh! I'm about to kick your ass. I knew you were up to something.
You
We're in like a pack of sardines and we cannot escape, we cannot come out. Mama!
You need to leave!
What's up, bro? What the fuck is that all about? What you doing? How bad, man? You sneeze on me, bro? You want to fight? Nah, bro, I don't want that. I don't want to fight. Nah, I'm just saying you sneezing on me, you feel me? What's up with you, bro? You legit right now?
Really, dude?
My bad, bro.
No, you walked out and did that.
No,
You freaked up on me, man.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I apologize.
Yeah, no. That's not gonna fly.
Alright. It's time to go. Seriously, it's time to go. I'm sorry.
Can you like not
Here comes the Karen.
I'm so sorry. I have bad allergies. I'm actually looking for some allergy medicine right now.
It's over in with the HBC stuff. Over here.
Okay, I'm sorry. I have a napkin. If you need one.
No, that's quite all right. Go get your allergy stuff.
I mean, I'm sorry that I sneezed.
Go get your cold medicine.
I
It's
will.
over there.
Thank you. You don't gotta follow me. I can't control my sneezes. Like,
Get your medicine and get out.
you ain't gonna talk to me like that though.
Get out. I'm calling the cops if you don't get out now.
You can't really call the police because I sneezed.
Get out.
You're gonna calm down before I
No.
leave.
Out.
You're gonna ask me politely, can I go? Not yell at me.
Please leave.
Thank you. All because somebody sneezed? Who does that?
Leave. Please.
I will sneeze
Out.
again.
People like that are not welcome here, like sneezing all over everybody. Just leave.
Okay, I'll come back tomorrow and sneeze. Nigga, what the fuck?
¿Qué pasa, amigo?
That wasn't funny at all.
Can trick you. Can trick you.
Sorry.
Can
At
spray
all.
you.
It wasn't
Can
funny
spray
at
you.
all.
Can spray you. Never do that to my mom. Never.
You get your goddamn ugly.
I'm spray you. Yeah. Just never do it to my mom. Never.
That shit said July 6th.
What's up, man? We got kicked out of Publix. We got kicked out of Walmart. And we got kicked out of Big Lots. Top dog. But if you like this video, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Kid Slick, and I'm out.
Good puss for sure. Bad bitch, but I'm walking on fours. Tell me watch on out what for. What she finna do to who? Girl, fuck that whore.